In this video, I'll teach you how to make an image scroll like this with the page on Wix Studio. The first thing you have to do is to go up here and click Open Inspector in the top right corner, and now click on the image, and now you can see we've marked the image up here as it's bold. Now to add this feature, go down to Position down here, so Design, and then go down to Position, and then click on Position Type and click the drop-down menu and click Sticky. And now we've added this function to our image already. Let me show you like this. But we can do something extra. If I go back to Edit Side, if I wanted this image to fade out at the bottom, we can also go and add an animation that's gonna make this seem more seamless at the end of it. So if I go to animations up here after I select the image again, and I go down to scroll here and click Add and choose Fade, and we can do out here. Then it's gonna fade out as well at the same time. So let's preview it. Like this, and when I scroll, it's gonna both scroll down with the page and fade out. So it gives like a really cool effect, I think. But that's pretty much it. That's how you can make an image sticky and scroll with your website on Wix Studio.